Noun forms. You can form nouns by adding suffixes, letters added at the end of words, to words. Sometimes you have to make spelling changes too. There are rules on how this is done. Now, let us take a look at these rules and understand them with the help of corresponding examples. 1. Ending in N, E, S, S. Ness. For example, sad, sadness. Happy, happiness. Careless, carelessness. Wicked, wickedness. 2. Ending in M-E-N-T. Meant. For example, pay, payment. Argue, argument. 3. Ending in T-I-O-N. Shun. For example, direct, direction. Educate, education. Describe, description. Solve, solution. Destroy, destruction. Intent, intention. 4. Ending in A-T-I-O-N. Ation. For example, hesitate, hesitation. Converse, conversation. Describe, description. Solve, solution. Destroy, destruction. Intend, intention. 5. Ending in I-T-I-O-N. Ition. For example, add, addition. Compose, composition. Recognize, recognition. Contribute, contribution. 6. Ending in S-I-O-N. Shin. For example, confess, confession. Decide, decision. Admit, admission. Compel, compulsion. 7. Ending in T-Y-T. For example, sure, surety. Cruel, cruelty. 8. Ending in I-T-Y. Itty. For example, formal, formality. Sincere, sincerity. Possible, possibility. Simple, simplicity. Curious, curiosity. Clear, clarity. 9. Ending in E-T-Y. Etty. For example, various, variety. Social, society. 10. Ending in C-Y. C. For example, secret, secrecy. Private, privacy. 11. Ending in A-N-C-E. Ants. For example, assist, assistance. Assure, assurance. Enter, entrance. Defy, defiance. Distant, distance. Remember, remembrance. 12. Ending in E-N-C-E. Ends. For example, exist, existence. Reside, residence. Occur, occurrence. Defend, defense. Silent, silence. Obey, obedience. 13. Ending in y. Y. For example, discover, discovery. Assemble, assembly. 14. Ending in al, ul. For example, betray, betrayal. Arrive, arrival. Bury, burial. 15. Ending in ice, is. For example, just, justice. Serve, service. Advise, advice. 16. Ending in th, th. For example, warm, warmth. True, truth. Long, length. Die, death.